How to change your password in the Bybit application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Changing your password regularly is a good way to keep your Bybit account secure. To update your login password in Bybit, first of all launch open the Bybit app on your device and sign into your account. Once you're logged into the homepage of Bybit, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner. And now, once you're inside, go ahead and select the gear icon at the top right. Inside the User Center, select Security. Under Security, scroll down and look for Change Password option and tap on it. Now, in order to change your password, you'll need your current password. Go ahead and write it down in the first field. On the next field, enter the new password you want to change to. Finally, click Confirm to save your password. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for your Bybit account. Next time while logging in or whenever prompted, enter your newly updated password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.